Hi guys, I'm Ben.
And I'm Jess.
And today we're going to show you how easy it is to seal your concrete countertop using Ghostshield's Countertop 880.
What's nice about the 880 is that it's ready to use. It's a penetrating sealer. It offers high stain resistance. It's really easy to apply and it leaves a nice natural finish.
A nice natural finish.
So it's been about 24 hours since we've sealed the countertop. We used the 880 and it left a nice natural finish, but we just want to bring the finish up a little bit. So we're going to be using the Food Safe micronized wax. We're going to be using a sponge wax applicator as well as a microfiber cloth, and it's just going to give us the extra protection that we're looking for. So we just finished waxing our countertops with our sponge wax applicator, and now we're going to use a microfiber cloth to work in and remove any residual material.
Or you can use a buffing disc on the end of an orbital sander if you really want to speed up the process. Here you go.
Okay, let's do this. And we're done. It was that easy. It's a good idea to wax your countertops a couple times a month or when you notice a diminish in performance. And a good way to test it out to make sure they're still sealed is by applying some water to the countertops and making sure that the water is beating up and not darkening the concrete. And then afterwards, you can just wipe it up with a cloth.